Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th day of February in the year 2025, our system has ranked Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.63. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently remains at a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently fluctuating within a broad and horizontal trend, and further movements within this pattern can be anticipated. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 1.27% over the following 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 5.86% to positive 9.23%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it signals a change of around 41.91% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 38.23% and 63.82%. This translates to a projected price range of $321.56 to $381.09 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Apple Stock Price After Tuesday Trading. The Apple stock price gained 2.18% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, rising from $227.65 to $232.62. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.11% with a low of $228.13 and a high of $235.23. Although the price has been volatile during this period, there has been a loss of 2.37% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 21 million more shares were traded than the day before. Overall, 52 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $12.13 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $260.09, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 10.56% or $27.47 below the 52-week high of $260.09, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Apple is making headlines today with its new partnership with the Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba to develop artificial intelligence features for iPhones in China. This collaboration is viewed as a significant growth catalyst, especially as Apple seeks to enhance its presence in one of its most critical markets. Analysts suggest that by joining forces with Alibaba, Apple may finally address some of the challenges it has faced in China, a market that is key to its revenue growth. Additionally, Apple reportedly explored but subsequently rejected partnerships with other potential collaborators, which underscores the strategic decision-making involved in this initiative. The focus on artificial intelligence capabilities is timely, given the recent boom in generative AI, which has positively impacted tech stock valuations across the board. With semiconductor giants like NVIDIA experiencing substantial gains, Apple's move into AI could position it well among its competitors. In the short term, positive sentiment surrounding this partnership could buoy Apple's stock as investors respond to the potential for enhanced market competitiveness and broader consumer engagement. Long-term, successful implementation of AI features could significantly boost Apple's revenue streams from services and product sales in China, further solidifying its market position. This strategic pivot could prove vital for Apple's growth trajectory in an increasingly competitive tech landscape. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Apple Inc. a buy grade along with a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley provided Apple Inc. with an overweight grade and a hold action. Also on that day, KeyBank rated Apple Inc. as underweight and issued a hold action. Additionally, Maxim Group gave Apple Inc. a buy grade with an initialize action on that date. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, Oppenheimer assigned Apple Inc. a perform grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general buy rating. They have assessed the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 4.48%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been identified, which may influence the near-term outlook. The Apple stock carries a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this creates an overall negative forecast for the stock. In the event of further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $238.32. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $230.62. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overarching negative outlook. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages. Buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $229.86. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is typically traded with substantial volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the last day, the stock moved $7.10, which is 3.11% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.18%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.61. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $232.87. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $229.86. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of February, 2025, Susan Wagner conducted an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. On the same day, Susan Wagner also executed an insider sale of 1,516 shares of restricted stock units. On the 1st of February, 2025, Ronald D. Sugar made an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. On that day, Ronald D. Sugar also carried out an insider sale of 1,516 shares of restricted stock units. On the 1st of February, 2025, Monica C. Lozano performed an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 6.124. Overall, insiders have bought 1,796,930 shares and sold 3,087,233 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $220.17, reflecting a decrease of 5.35%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which indicates a lower risk. There is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 15 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buying opportunity at this time. Currently, it is advisable to view it as a hold or accumulate in this position while we await further developments. We have updated our analysis of this stock since the last evaluation, changing our recommendation from sell to hold or accumulate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 12th of February, we anticipate that Apple will open lower by approximately 63 cents and begin trading at $231.99. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.